Already mic testing, mic testing. Okay, perfect. Let me go to my main camera. There we go. Already we're live. And as you guys can tell by title and thumbnail, today I'm going to be working with my Project 2 in 91 days in. And I'm working with my Project 2 for Phase 2 where I will be making a predictive model. And also I did try using a brand new thumbnail, which is actually kind of AI generated for my streams because I wanted to actually see, as opposed to my actual thumbnails, which looks kind of amateuristic, does the AI thumbnails actually do better? That said, I'm gonna go to my, let's say, gameplay screen and make sure that I am in my freaking gameplay screen today because, by god, last stream, half of my gameplay was off my gameplay screen. Okay, and also, while I'm at this, let me just go ahead and fix this up here real quick. Hold on a damn minute. I'm gonna go there, and then I'm gonna go there. Yeah, because I kind of record myself as well, so I can get a few clips for my other channels as well. Okay, that's pretty good. And this is a brand new closet shot. I will be touch typing. Plus, I will be using a 30 to 10 minutes is Pomodoro, where every 30 minutes I get a 10 minutes is break, and every 4 sessions of 30 minutes, which is 2 hours, I get a 20 minutes is break. I'm gonna start the timer in 3, 2, 1, let's go. Okay, there we go. And yeah, this is Claude's is brand new chat, and I will be touch typing. I did say that though. But let's go with something like Sensei I'm live exclamation. There we go. Oh, and one thing I forgot to mention. Let me go back to my main camera. Yesterday, my sisters gifted me this plushie. It's pretty good. Screw my lighting, bro. What the hell? Hold on. Ruining my good moment. Wait a minute. Wait a damn minute. I'm gonna go ahead and decrease my gain real quick. Just like it, she guys, the plushie. There we go. So yesterday, my sisters, when they came back from when I was done streaming and I went outside, they were like, whatchamacallit, adopt this plushie with a nice little note. I don't really have that note, but by god, this plushie is so good. In case you guys did not know, I kind of like, whatchamacallit, things like plushies. They're really, really nice. Okay, that's it. Let me go back to my gameplay screen. I don't know how is that valid, whatchamacallit. How is that related to what we were going to be working with? But it did sound pretty good. And yeah, I will be playing Once Human as well today. That said, Art Phase 2 is done. Applied Math, every skit-learn model, full evaluation arc closed out with real code and a self-derived insight about our fitting. I love plushie. That's squishy mellow. Let's go. Actually, it is squishy mellow. Okay, let's see. Closed out with a real code and a self-derived insight about overfitting that most people don't get until way later. Okay, yeah, last stream I did, let's say work with overfitting, underfitting, and regularization, which I did sort of complete as well. That was reps. Now we stop learning tools in isolation and start building something that could sit in front of a client. Project 2, no more. Does this method work on a toy example? Now it's done. Okay, wait, now it's, does this model solve a real problem? Oh wait, there we go. This is finally where the AI part begins. And you can prove it before a single line of code gets written. We scoop this properly. Wait, we're working with Project 2, right? We are. A wake problem turns into wasted week. A scooped project turns into a portfolio piece, okay? Let's nail it down. So, regression, predict a number like a price, or classifications, predict a category like a churn. Yes/no. Okay, I don't know what churn means, but therefore I'm gonna go with something like regression, or walk me through the trade-off. I wanna be walked through the trade-off. Also, I'm gonna grab my let's say a roadmap here real quick, just because I wanted to see the 2 projects that we are gonna be working on, because there were 2 things that I was gonna work on for Project 2. It was either house prices or customer churn. I don't really know what customer churn actually means, but I guess it's fine. I'm gonna get this here, and then let's go with something like 2 minutes. Let's go with something like 2 minutes. There we go. Then I'm gonna go up here, kind of decrease the size. Yeah, I'm taking some clip notes as well in my other window, but I'm gonna exit this for now. Okay, so fair question. Don't guess on something don't guess on something this foundational to the whole project. Let's reason it out, not just define it. The core difference mechanically, regression predicts a number that lives on a continuous line. If your model is off, it's off by an amount. Predict a house at $10,000 when it's really $300,000. Okay, you're off by 10 grand. Error has magnitude. Classification predicts a category from a fixed set of buckets. There is no amount of wrongness in the same sense. A customer either churned or didn't. Okay, what does churned even means? What the hell? Hello, Evian. Where's you hiding, Praneeth? I appreciate you joining the stream. Okay, you're either right, either wrong about the bucket, not how close. Some edge cases, like ordinary classes aside, but ignore that for now. Why is this why this actually changes the whole project, not just the model you pick. The evaluation metrics are different from tools entirely. Regression uses these like May slash VMACE, REM RMS Remis, is that how I pronounce it? How far off on average in the same unit as the number you're predicting, okay? Classification uses the stuff you already know called confusion matrix, precision, recall, F1, ROC slash AUC curves. The ride up to a client is different too. Our model predicts house prices within a $15,000 average is a very different pitch than our model catches 82% of customers who are about to churn with a 10% false alarm rate. So the real question that decides it for you, what does the business actually want to do with the prediction? If they want to know how much something will be, a price, a demand forecast, a score regression. If they want to know whether something will happen, churn or not, fraud or not, approve or deny, classification. Oh, I see. Okay, okay. Given your background is equally solid in both, which I highly doubt, okay? Linear slash regression on the regression side, tree forest slash tree slash forest slash SVM on classification. This is what do you know decision. It's a what problem excites you enough to defeat it to a fake line. Okay, you know what? As opposed to classifications, I kind of want to work with linear ridge on the regression. So I may go with predict a number as opposed to predict a category, which is a yes or no. Okay, we're gonna go with the first one, because why not? And also, is my camera really bright? Do I need to decrease my gain a little bit? Hold on, let me try decreasing my gain a little bit. Because I don't want my camera to be really, really bright. You know what? Screw gain. Let's decrease our brightness. Nope, I think gain is it, right? There we go. I think that's not too bright, not too dull either. I will be changing something from my vertical stream. I think I'm in the center, right, for my vertical though. But then I go more to the left. Hold on, you guys can't really see what I'm working on right now, but I'm just trying to move my stuff a little bit. Cause I do use I am recording myself in vertical as well, not streaming myself in vertical though, because I do get clips for my shorts from my vertical than my horizontal. There we go. Okay, I think that's pretty good, right? Just gonna increase that from the bottom as well. There we go. Maybe I want to go a bit more to the bottom. Okay, and you guys clearly can't see what I'm doing, but it's just gonna take me another like 3 seconds. And there. I think those were 3 seconds, right? Alright, okay, back to work, back to work. So regression is locked in. That means a maze slash RMSE becomes your new evaluation vocabulary, and the client pitch is going to sound like our model predicts X within Y dollars on your average. Get comfortable with that framing now, because it'll shape everything downstream. Okay, down the second decision. What are you actually predicting? The roadmap gives house prices as the example. Okay, gives house prices as the example. And it's the classic for a reason. Clean numeric features, intuitive for a client pitch, tons of real data. And it plays directly to what you already know, linear slash rig, and you can stretch into random forest regressor. Since you know the classifier version, but a housing price isn't scooped yet. That's a domain, not a project. Before I hand you data options, I want your instinct on scale. For the actual prediction target, housing prices or a different domain? I mean, does it really make a difference? Let's go with housing prices. Housing prices prediction locked. Good, that's a real project now, not a vague idea. Plays directly into linear regression and ridge, and gives you a natural stretch into random forest regressors for comparison later if you want to push past just linear models. One more scooping decision before we touch a dataset. How deep does this go? There's a real difference between a clean, well-known dataset, something like California housing or Ames housing, most numeric features, minimal missing data, hell lets you focus your energy on modeling plus evaluation plus the client write up. I see. Okay, a messier real world scrap. More like Project 1 energy, where you're fighting missing values, weird categorial columns. Is that how you pronounce it? Categorial? I think that's how you pronounce it. Outliners before you even get to the model. Given this project's stated goal is build a predictive model, rigorously evaluated, write it up like you're presenting it to a client. The emphasis is on the modeling and evaluation rigor, not redoing project one's data wrangling grind. Okay, you know what? I think I see what Cloud meant. Because for Project One, the web scraper that we did actually build, I had to go to a website called books2scrape.com, which is a website specifically meant for us to scrape data from it with all false books and author names and all that stuff. But as opposed to doing that, we're probably gonna create our own data. Clean data set, focus energy on modeling plus evaluation plus write up messier real data set. I want the data cleaning fight too. Yeah, you know what? More practice for me, I guess. Okay, that's the right instinct. Actually, Project 1 taught you to fight dirty data with pandas. Letting that skill go late by only ever touching pre-clean CSVs would be a mistake. Real housing data, scraped listing, country records, Kaggle raw versions has missing values, weird outlines, a house listed at $1, inconsistent categorical text, column that needs the engineers before they're usable. That fight is part of being able to say, I built this end to a client. Okay. Now, where does this messy data set come from? This decision, this decides your next few sessions. Where would the messy housing data come from? Kaggle? Raw slash messy housing data? Fast start, real world, dirty. Scrape it myself like Project 1, full pipeline from scratch. Government slash public records. Authentic but slower to source. I may go with Kaggle. What does Kaggle mean? Wait, before I answer that question. Before I answer that question, what even is Kaggle? Oh god, there we go. Is Kaggle. There we go. Okay, and what is not and? Let's just go with without comma. And what is the difference using that and scraping data myself? Okay, and then let's go with a semicolon. I am not good enough with these topics. Therefore, pick and evaluate the best course of action for me. There we go. And then I'm gonna fix my evaluate to spelling and let's just go ahead and send it. Cause yeah, by god, I've never worked with this stuff. How in the genuine world am I ever gonna know what to pick? But well, I guess that's pretty common here. Is that how we say it? Okay, good. That's the right thing to flag and never guess on a term you don't know. Let's ground this before I pick anything, because you should understand why The choice was made, not just take my word for it. What Kaggle actually is, it's a website where people and companies upload datasets for free, usually already collected, sometimes clean, sometimes deliberately left messy for practice. You go there, search housing, find a dataset someone already gathered, real listings, real scale prices, real data, and download a CSV file directly, no code required to get the data. The work starts after you have it. What scraping is, you already did this in part one, I did. You write code that goes to a live website, pulls the raw HTML, and extracts the data yourself. Nobody packaged it for you. You build the whole pipeline request, the page farce, extract fields, yada yada. Okay, the actual trade-off: data collection already done, download and go. You built it, HTTPS, request HTML, parsing, rate limits, site structure changes, where skillet exercises, pandas, cleaning features, engineering model evaluation, same scraping pipeline, skill as project one, beautiful soup, request, error handling, time cost, low get to modeling fast, high could eat a week before you touch a single model. Alright. It is a new skill. Is it a new skill building for you? Yes, you've never done a full regression project. Not really, you already proved this in project 1. Here's my evaluation. Project 1 already proved you can scrape. That skill is closed and confirmed in your archive. Project 2 stated goal is build a predictive model, evaluate it rigorously, write it up for a client. The new ground to cover here is modeling and evaluation on messy data, not rerunning a scraping pipeline you've already mastered. I did not master it, by the way. Spending a week provoking scraping would eat time. That should go towards the actual new skill, real regression evaluation rigor. So my pick, a raw slash messy Kaggle housing data set. You still get the full data, hyphen cleaning file, missing values, outliners, categorical mess, but you skip redoing a skill you already own and get the new skill faster. Does that reasoning land for you? Does that reasoning land, or do you want to push back? Read, go with Kaggle, I guess. Because let's be honest, if I don't need something, why would I spend a whole week scraping data? But again, it is a good skill to have, I guess, for later, so I may or may not do it. Okay, agreed, go with messy Kaggle dataset, locked, project 2 scooped, final. Type regression domain, housing prices, prediction, okay, data sources, raw messy Kaggle housing data, delivered cleaned dataset, trained models, rigorous evaluation, client style write up. That's a real defensible project now, not a vague idea. Let's go find the actual data set. Found the exact one. This is the industry standard data set for a reason. It's the data set every serious regression project cuts its teeth on. And it's genuinely messy in the right ways, not artificially dumped down. The Amos housing dataset, is that how you pronounce it, Amos? Kaggle competition name, House Prices Advanced Regression Techniques. It has 79 explanatory variables describing every aspect of residential homes in Amos. Lower, and the task is to predict the final scale price of each home. The training set contains 14,060 rows, but the column contains notably fewer entries than others, meaning there are real missing values baked in. Here's why this is the right pick for you specifically. Real missing data fight with a twist that'll test your pandas instincts. Missing values in categorical columns often carry out actual meaning. A missing broken value under garage might mean there's no garage at all. Not that the data is broken, but that's a different kind of thinking than project one's cleanup. You'll have to reason about why a value is missing before deciding how to handle it. Real outliner, you'll have to find and defend a decision on. Box plots across the numeric columns reveal genuine outliners that need handling before modeling. Mixed data types, the columns come in fundamentally different types of floats, integers, and string slash objects, meaning some features are inherently numerical while others are categorically and need different treatment entirely. Client hyphen relevance nuance for you to write up. The target variable scale price is right skewed, which is a real modeling decision point. Do you transform it or not, and why? Scoop right, not at 4060 rows of noise, not at 500,000 row monsters that'll choke your laptop. It's a manageable size, perfect for local experimentation. You do not need a supercomputer. Your laptop is fine. Okay, I am using a computer. Hold on a damn minute. Wait a minute. I want to check my specs. Did I spell that correct? There we go. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and let's say copy that and then paste it and say whoops, whoops, whoops. Those are my specs. And that's your PC specs. Not. Oh wait, hold on. Oh my. Oh god. Wait. Based on those specs, what would you recommend I do? Question mark. It's clearly not a supercomputer, but it is something. Let's be straight about what's happening. Your specs don't change the decision at all. Okay, fine, fine. Lock in Amos housing. Let's start. Show me a different dataset option. Fine, let's go with Amos housing. I think it's just a place where we get data from. Locked in Amos housing project 2 officially has a name, a dataset, and a mission. Project 2 fully scooped type regression dataset Amos housing. Kaggle house prices advanced regression techniques. Target predict scale price pipeline down clean real messy data engineer future train regression models evaluate vigorously write up findings as if presenting it to a client toolkit going in linear slash ridge regressions called random forest regressor stretch the classifier version already train slash test evaluation reasoning called. Here's how the session is going to run before we touch the code. Get the dataset, download it onto your machine, and complete and confirm its loads. Okay, so first we look at the raw data shape. Okay, first we look at the raw data shape, columns, the data types, no cleaning yet. Just see we're locked, just see what we're working with. From there, we scoop the cleaning fight together. Let's get the file Kaggle needs. Okay, let's get the file. Kaggle needs an account to download it directly, but there's a faster path. I'll check if it's mirrored somewhere you can pull without a login first. Good, there's a legit mirror. Yada yada hyphen on GitHub hosts the same train.csv, test.csv, and data directory from Kaggle housing prices, advanced regression techniques, competition, no Kaggle accounts, no login wall. Let me confirm this exact raw file, blah blah blah. Confirm that repository has train.csv, test.csv, and data underscore description.txt. Sitting right at the root, exactly what we need. Important. Important, don't read that notebook's analysis. That's someone else's finished project. It handed you every answer before you've earned it. We're doing our own EDA from scratch. Okay, what does EDA mean here? What the hell? Okay, here's your move. You're going to download the raw file yourself so you understand where your project data lives. No code needed, yet just your browser or a terminal command. Two options. Pick whichever is easier. Option A, simplest. Go to https://github.com, blah blah blah. Click train.csv, download the button, save it in your folder. Ideally, a new subfolder called project 2 hyphen housing. Option B, terminal command. I'll show you first for our security rule. You run it second. Curl. Okay. We also want data underscore description.txt. That's the data dictionary that tells you what everyone. How do you want to grab the files? Browser or terminal? Uh, I am. Let's go with something like quite indecisive. Let's go with something like therefore, can you make a call? Question mark. There we go. Because I don't see a difference in either one of them. Fair enough, not every decision needs your input, and here's one cheap to make. Going with terminal reasoning, you already have git slash wsl slash PowerShell muscle memory. I do not, it's been a long time. From phase one, it's faster than clicking through GitHub UI, and it's a real rep on the exact kind of get real data onto my machine workflow you'll repeat consistently as an engineer. Here's the plan: set up the project folder first, then pull both files. For our security rule, these are the commands. Review them before running anything. So make directories. So okay, I do remember this now, man. I do have the muscle memory. We make a directory called project hyphen two hyphen housing, and then we go with something like command. Okay, what does it do line by line? Make directory makes a new folder for this project inside your 365 AI engineering directory. Change directory project two housing moves into it. Two curl calls pull the raw CSV and a raw data direct dictionary straight from GitHub to Kaggle. Oh god, is there like a mosquito? What the hell just bit me in my hands? Okay, two curl calls, pull the raw CSV and the raw data dictionary straight from GitHub. No Kaggle login needed. Run these in your terminal from inside 365 AI Engineering or wherever you want Project 2 housing to live. Once it's done, run directory windows and paste me the output so we confirm both files are landed and check their size before we open anything in pandas. And what the hell is wrong with my hands? It itches so bad. Hmm. Okay, so first things first, we're gonna go ahead and open our Visual Studio Code. Oh wait, hold on. I opened my blue light filter. Okay, so we're gonna go here. I'm gonna go ahead and let's say open my freaking terminal launcher. In my terminal, we're gonna go ahead and let's say make a directory. So mkdir. Yeah, and I did work with these commands in developer tooling when I worked with Git and GitHub. Okay, so we're gonna go with something like make directory, and then I'm gonna go with something like project hyphen two hyphen housing housing, and then we're gonna go ahead and change my directory. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and move on to the directory that we just created, which is my project hyphen two hyphen housing. There we go. And now that we're inside this directory, we're gonna go ahead and curl. This is something new, so we're gonna go with something like curl hyphen o. Did Claude explain what does curl hyphen o do? So curl hyphen o. Okay, we're gonna go with something like data. So two curl calls pull the raw CSV and the raw data dictionary straight from GitHub to Kaggle. No login needed. Okay, so curl is basically used to pull stuff. So I'm gonna go and pull train.csv. Okay, and then I'm gonna give uh my URL. So https colon // raw dot github user content dot com slash moy moy Philip philip slash amy's hyphen okay housing slash a master slash train dot csv. Oh god, this was a massive that was like a massive https. Hold on a damn minute. Hold on guys, my mom just messaged me. Okay, let's see. So once that's done, we go with curl hyphen o data underscore description. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and hit enter. Wait, I ran into an error. What did I do? What did I do wrong? Is my file path wrong? So we go with something like curl curl hyphen o train dot csv https colon / raw dot github user content .com / Moy Philip hyphen Amy's hyphen housing / master / train. I did it correct. I read it exactly as it is. Where did this up? Alright, let's go ahead and let's say paste this here. Okay, that worked. That worked. Where did I mess up? What did I do? What did I do? What did I do wrong? Oh, I did not add a space here, so we need a space. Okay, I didn't know that. Next up, we add another curl. This time I won't make the same mistake. So we go with something like curl hyphen o. And then we go with something like data underscore description.txt. Data underscore description.txt. And wait, let me pause my timer real quick. Hold on. Pause. Yeah, I'm gonna just say move on. Hands off any that is distracting, but give me a damn minute. I'm just gonna do this real quick because I don't want to mess this up. And then we're gonna go with something like https colon / oh god, guys, I hate my shortcut. Okay, we're gonna go with something like colon / and then I'm gonna go with something like a raw dot github user content.com / Moy Philip HILIP / AMES hyphen housing / master / data underscore description .txt. Bro, I spent a bajillion hours typing this stuff just for it to be damn wrong. Oh, maybe because oh god, invoke requested pipeline. Oh god, no. Oh, that is what we were what we were supposed to do. But I'm gonna go ahead and let's say copy this, paste it here. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and let's say open once human, because we're gonna play a game while I am actually on my break. And yeah, I'm gonna on the timer once the game actually ons up as well. Dun. Oh wow, it says this game is not responding. Hold on. I'm closing this stuff. Wait a minute. Wait a damn minute. Stop. And then I wanna go with play. Now, I'm gonna wait for it to open first, and then we're gonna do anything else. While it's opening, I'm gonna go ahead and move on to my, let's say, main camera. How do you guys like this plushie? Yeah, let's have some general conversation until, oh wait, there we go. Alright, talk, small talk over. There we go. Okay, let's go to my gameplay screen. I'll start my timer in a bit. Let me open this stuff. There we go. Okay, now let's officially start our timer. Once human, here we go. Here we go. Is this a new character? Bro, these characters look sick as hell. F2 confirm. Are they purchased or are they free though? I was working with the Manibus right last stream, so I'm gonna go with F, then a 10 per game. And does my mic not, does my mouse not work too? One annoying thing is I wanna be just playing this stuff. I don't wanna... I mean, it gets kind of tedious to switch between streaming and playing. I should just have like a specific stream where I play this. It's a new scenario available. T to C description. Alright. Wait, it's Tame these Star Void ends in 4 days. This is like an event. Okay, well we're kind of weak right now. We're gonna screw the events up for a bit, as opposed to the events. So we have some recruiters here. I'm gonna keep this here. Okay, as opposed to the events, I'm gonna play this stuff smart. We're gonna upgrade our base. For that, I'm gonna break a few rocks. Where is my base? Okay, we're gonna break a few gravel, not rock. There we go. Because this is a survival game, right? And then we can probably go back again. Can I break bushes? I cannot. Can I break someone else's house? Nope. And yeah, I was gonna fix my settings yesterday, but I did not really fix my settings, so that's fine. Okay, can I find some things here? Yesterday, I was trying to go inside to steal stuff. Bro, I swear to God, if I find a monster here. Freaking jump scare the heck out of me. Oh, wait, I got a new gun? I got a new gun? We got a gun, guys. We got a gun. We got a gun. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Where are the monsters? Better than my freaking ass bow tie. I mean, my bow. We got a cushion, too. Okay, I'm gonna move on. If we click shift, we can actually run. Hey, should I break a few more trees for wood? Banyan tree, what is that? Where's my base? I wanna try to upgrade my base. Do we get to fight someone and like kill someone here? Wow, I'm getting a lot of trees. Oh, never mind. Banyan tree is pretty massive. There we go. Wait, what is this? Is this a banana tree? This should be relatively easy to break, because in case you guys don't know, banana trees are not that hard to break. I got 2 experience. We get experiences as well. View profile. Okay, so this is someone else's place. Wait, you feel hot. Oh. Can we like, you know, just grab stuff here? Nah, I think that's called stealing. Load reduces loss of HP. No, let me dip. We don't even got ammo, so I can't even freaking use this stuff. Oh, wow. I'm a free man, actually. Aren't the monsters out right now? Shouldn't they be out by now? Alright. That's a massive... Wait, I can't break this? Oh, you gotta be joking me. Okay, I don't have, like... Wait. Is this a human? No, it's a monster. This is one thing I don't freaking like about this. Ooh, you can headshot? Oh, hell yeah. Anything that I can get from them? The one thing about this bow is if someone runs fast, I'm basically cooked. I cannot be exploring a lot out here. He jumps so high. I'm gonna break this. How the hell does he jump so high? Am I not just like a regular human? Okay, because I've heard that regular humans don't jump that high because I did not take any special master class. Do I have 1 ammo? I got 24 bows with me. Damn it! I don't have ammo. Who's that? Oh. Bro, give me a better weapon in my hands. Can I equip the car or something? No? Bro, he's a good... I'm so glad I picked a free human. He felt garbage last stream, but then this stream he's actually sort of useful, I think. Okay. Only difference is those creepy monsters. Anyone here? Boo. I'm gonna find you. No one needs to hide from me. Oh my gosh. Bro, freak these monsters crawling out of nowhere. Annoying monsters. Oh my gosh. Okay, that was good. That just caught me kind of off guard. It's not like I was scared of them or something. I need to find some necessities such as food. Let's eat some canned meat. Ugh. Ugh. How's the canned meat? Oh my gosh. No, 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 no. F is to melee, right? Oh my gosh. Give me a gun! Give me a gun! This is scary as heck. I get arrows when I kill them? Okay, what is this? What is this? What is this? Yes, yes. A melee weapon? I'm gonna work. It's gonna... No, it does not. Deselect. Let's go with escape. Oh god, guys. This is scary as hell. Oh my gosh. Peekaboo. Look who's behind you. Please don't kill me. You know, I'm not scared of these freaking zombies. What I'm scared of is the jump scares that they give me. Okay, let's just break this. We're good for now, right? We got a lot of gravel. We're here to like get a few survival stuff. Like get wood, gravel, resources before I go and build my base. Because I don't have anything to call home right now. I got a pillow though. I wonder, can I like suffocate the zombies with the pillows? Yeah, I'm acting pretty tough right now. When the zombies come, I'd be crying the frick out of everything. Alright, so what we're gonna do right now is that I'm gonna go ahead and move on back to my base. It says press B to enter build mode. Find weapon and armor. Where do I find weapon and armor? Gather any crops, wheat, corn, berries. How do you gather them stuff? I know. Who the heck? How does he have such a massive huge jump? Like, how do I jump so high? Like, is there no gravity in this place? Wait, I was taken off to a different place. Is there no gravity here? You know what? I want to go in the scary place. You have returned to your dirt tree. Okay, let's see. So, apparently, I want to go down to, let's say... Oh, is that a chest there? Is that a chest? Bet. This is a crate for me. Oh, it's taking time to open it. We got gravity crystal. Okay, so there is no gravity here. Alright, alright. Okay, so where do you go? Where do I see those freaking creatures? Am I gonna get jump scared by them or something? Is that someone that I see? Is he dead or is he alive? What is that? What? Wait. I wanna kill them because it gives me bows. Is he stuck? Is this guy really stuck? Nope, he's not stuck. Oh, no. I'm on. Oh, there's another zombie. He's on me. I don't have a gun. Forget about me. Go back to your nap. Okay. This is a freaking survival game. Why am I provoking these zombies? I'm leaving. Please take me out. Let me out. Oh my gosh. Are they still following me? They're right there. They're all following me. I'm a dip. I'm so glad I don't need to run and I can like hover. Can I get up here? Can I get up? Oh my god. Can I get up there? Can I get please? He's on me. Can I stand up here? If I manage to stand up here, I'm good. Yes. No. I'm dead. Let me run. This is a survival game. You're hungry. Okay, I'm gonna eat. Just let me go. I should have freaking killed him.
Watch your sanity. You're not in the right state to keep exploring. Head back to your territory and get some rest.
I'm gonna be a good guy. I'm gonna be a good boy. Let me just run. 4 to eat. Ah, he's behind me. That's my territory. I just gotta enter. I just gotta enter. Just gotta enter. I just gotta go. Just gotta go. Just keep jumping. Just keep jumping. Just keep jumping. Drink. Eat everything. Eat everything. Eat everything. Four. I'm good. Shift to run. We're good. Just don't look back. Just do not look back. I don't gotta look back around those stuff. I just gotta run. Just run. Please run. That's time. What game is it? It's Once Human. Are they behind me? Oh my gosh. They're not following me. I can live another day. I gotta heal. How do you heal? Can I just crawl down a damn place? No one's here, right? That's good. That's time. That's a freaking time. I'm gonna leave the heck out of this game right now. Oh my gosh. Okay, moving on. Back to work. I'm 2 minutes late, but it's fine. Guys, I almost died there. My heart can't take this. No more. How is this there? They're just level 3 and that was so scary. I couldn't deal damage to them. Deep breaths and we're gonna be good. Okay, so back to Claude here. Fair enough, not every decision... Okay, I need some water after that stuff. Hold on a damn minute. Who recommended me to play freaking horror games on stream? It's kind of fun. You know what? After this 30-minute session, which is going to be an hour of doing this, I know this is not valid, but I may just actually play that. And I want to test a quick little hypothesis out. Hold on. I'm gonna go ahead and let's say open my... Let's say, DaVinci up here real quick because I thought this new thumbnail that I actually used is gonna be better than the previous ones that I had, but apparently not for some reason. Okay, maybe because it doesn't really give a me-type vibe and it looks like a random thumbnail. So I'm gonna open Viv Universe. Let's go with Viv Universe Live Thumbnails, and we're gonna go ahead and click OK. Grab this thing here. I'm gonna kind of decrease that. Hold on, we're gonna get back to work here in a bit. I'm just gonna change my thumbnail real quick. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and change that to project. There we go. And then this is gonna go ahead and change up to 2. Alright, and then we just gotta go ahead and increase the size, get it a bit lower, increase the size. Yeah, in case you guys don't really know how do I make my thumbnails, it's literally here. I just go to DaVinci, do that stuff, and then I go to the second one here, and then I go there. And I take a quick little picture / screenshot of this. Okay, because I wanted to test a new thumbnail. Apparently, it does not work, to be honest. You know, I just wanted to explore a different thing here. But for the time being, I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. Do this real quick. Move on right there. Go to channels, and then let's just go there. Let's go to manage. Yeah, I want to test these two things out of whether or not it changes outcomes. There we go. You know what? That doesn't really look that good, but it's fine. It's too similar to my last one, right? Nope, it's kind of different. But hey, you know what? That should be good. Wyan Live just won. I did try a new thumbnail, apparently. In case you guys did not really know, I just changed it. So I asked Gemini to create a new thumbnail for me, which did look like this. This looks more professional than mine, but it probably doesn't give my vibes. That's the reason many people had a hard time to really figure out that this is my stream. Okay, that said, let's go ahead and move on back to work here. So, did I reply to Claude's message here or no? Wait, this is phase 2. Wait, I just said that I was done with this stuff, right? Oh, okay. Wait, wrong chat. There we go. Let's grab this there and let's get this right here. There we go. Okay, so good catch on the first one. Curlo missing space wasn't going to work if you didn't panic. Okay, blah, blah, blah. Both files should be sitting in project -2 -housing now. Don't assume it worked. Verify. Run dir. So apparently we're gonna go ahead and run our directory to see currently what directory are we on. Okay, so it says directory is Viv Universe project hyphen 2. So we are in the right directory. Model is that, description, and train. Okay, perfect. Let's go ahead and copy that. Bro, you talk in yourself or what? Wait, do you mean am I talking to myself or what? Isn't it kind of fun? Would you guys rather have a boring stream where I don't talk squat or where I talk? Let's see. Confirm both real files. Both files sized correctly. Train.csv 460,676 bytes. That's right in length with 1460 rows multiplied by 81 columns of mixed data. Data underscore description.txt. 13,370 bytes. So these are the bytes, okay? That's your data dictionary, real content, not empty, no silent failures. Data's on your machine. Project officially has a body of data to work with. Now, before we open this in pandas and start looking at it, quick gut check on where you're at before we load in train.csv into pandas. Do you remember the syntax for reading CSVs into a data frame, or do you want a refresher? Refresh me quick before I try it. Okay, yeah, because I do need a quick little refresher. Okay, so pandas basically haven't come up in a while since you've been deep in model evaluation territory. Quick, direct refresher reading a CSV into a data frame. Okay, this is getting too hot now. I'm gonna keep this up here. There we go. Okay, so df equals to pandas.read underscore csv train.csv. That's it. pd.read underscore csv takes the file path as a string and returns the data frame. Pandas is table structure, rows and columns like a spreadsheet. You assign it to a variable. Df is the common convention, but you can rename it anything. Once that thing, once one thing that matters for you specific setup right now, the path, since train.csv is sitting in the same folder you're running your script from. Project-2-housing train.csv alone works as a relative path. Python looks in the current working directory. If your script lives somewhere else, you'd need the full path instead, like c // users / viv universe, OneDrive, desktop, 365 AI engineering, project-2 housing / train.csv. Okay, the other piece actually looking at what you loaded, print dataframe.head dataframe.shape. Head shows the first 5 rows by default, so you can eyeball the data. Shape returns rows columns as a tuple, so you know the size at a glance. Your hands-on task, create a Python file inside project-2, okay? Put in your usual project file convention directory or directly in the project folder your call. Write the code to load train.csv and print .head and .shape, or run it yourself and send me back your actual code and your actual real terminal output. Before you run a quick prediction based on dir output confirming 1460 rows multiplied by 81 columns. From that GitHub notebook you saw earlier, what do you expect .shape to print? It's going to print the shape of my directory, right? Read underscore CSV reads a CSV. Shape returns rows and columns as a tuple. Okay, so you know the size at a glance. Your hands-on task, create a Python file inside project underscore 2. Put in your usual Python underscore file convention or directory into project folder your call. Write the code to load train.csv, print head, and then shape. Head shows the first 5 rows by default. You can eyeball the data, okay? It prints the shape, the size of my data set. Okay, or more specifically of my CSV. That's the definition, not a prediction. You already have grounding. Reason from here, the GitHub page you saw earlier told you this exact data set for 60 rows and 81 columns. So give me the actual guess. What do you expect df.shape to output specifically as a tuple of numbers? So 1460 and 81. Okay, now write it for real. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab my Visual Studio code out here real quick. And we're gonna go ahead and just create a brand new file under my Project 2 housing. Okay. Okay, so we have our data set, which is a txt and our CSV file here. We're gonna go ahead and create another file here, which is gonna be called scripts. Script for project 2. Project underscore 2 underscore script dot py. There we go. Now in my project underscore 2 underscore script dot py, I'm gonna go ahead and let's say import pandas first. I'm gonna go ahead and from pandas, I want to import. Nope. I'm gonna go with something like import pandas as PD. PD is a universal convention, the way people used to import pandas, and then I'm gonna go ahead and run my program. First things first, we're gonna go with let's see, project 2, and then we're gonna go ahead and create our data frame, which is gonna be equal to my pandas dot read underscore CSV. I'm gonna read a CSV file, which is gonna be my train.csv file. We're gonna go with train.csv file. Okay, and then we're gonna go ahead and let's say create or print a couple of things from my data frame. So I'm gonna go ahead and let's say print. Okay, so I'm gonna print my head. So we're gonna go with df.head. Okay, printing the head of my CSV, and then we're gonna go ahead and let's say print df dot shape. Okay, which is gonna give me my, what was it gonna give me? The size of my rows, returns rows and columns. Okay, so I'm gonna hit Control S to save the code. I'm gonna go with Control backslash. Change my directory. So I'm gonna change my directory to project hyphen 2 hyphen housing. No, I forgot to close it. Okay, it's fine. I can close it here. Are you kidding me? PROJECT hyphen 2 hyphen HOUSING. The directory is correct. Just to be 100% sure, we're gonna go here and change our directory again to our project 2. There we go. Now our directory is changed. And then I'm gonna run my Python file, so I'm gonna manually run it. Let's go with something like py project underscore 2 underscore script dot py. Okay, df.shape tuple. Okay, this is, oh wait, this is an attribute. My bad. That is an attribute as opposed to being an actual shape. So I'm gonna go ahead and copy that, paste it here. Wait, I, huh? Oh, we didn't add our py. There we go. So we get our rows and we get our columns. I'm gonna go ahead and copy this, and then we're gonna grab plot here. We're gonna go ahead and paste it here. We're gonna go with shift enter. Maybe we can get extra VS Code from here. There we go. I'm gonna go with Control A, Control C. Copy that here. There. Okay, and then let's paste it. All right. So once I send it, I'm just gonna go ahead and wait. Exactly what you predicted. Real output matches real reasoning. That's not luck. That's your current pulling. Hold on. Just gonna check if everything's going nice. Okay, do you already know Panda's method? that counts null values. No, teach me. Okay, I need a refresher. I may have learned about it. Is null. Okay, I did work about it. So good. Flag it is honestly. Okay, let me read this first. Look at what your dot head output is already showing you. Even truncated ID, a column you almost certainly drop before modeling. It's just a row counter, not a real feature. Ali has nan in every row shown, and you already know from the GitHub research that Ali is 94% null in the dataset. Worth remembering when we get to cleaning. Miss feature, same story, nan everywhere visible, high null column. Sale price sitting as the last column, that's your target. Everything else is a feature candidate. Mixed value types already visible. MS zoning and street are text categorical. Lot areas and sale prices are numeric. You're starting at real messiness already before we've written a single cleaning line. Two syntax questions before we go further. Direct answer, no guessing needed. This is just recall. Good flagging it honestly instead of guessing and hoping. This is core pandas. You'll use it constantly, so let's get it solid. This method is null and dot sum, two steps chained together. Df is null. This returns a true data frame of exact shape as df, but every cell is now true or false. True if that cell was nan, false if that had real data. Same rows, same columns, just boolean values instead of actual data. Df dot is null dot sum, okay. Dot sum adds up the true slash false values per column. Here's the mechanical trick. Python treats true as 1 and false as 0. Then you do math on them. So summoning a column of true slash false values literally counts how many trues null are in that column. Concrete mini example, no code needed to see it. Imagine a 4-row group, nan 5, nan 8. Is null on that column gives true, false. Sum on that gives you 2 because true plus false plus true plus false, 1 plus 0 plus 1 plus 0 equals to 2 nulls. Run across the whole data frame. Df dot is null dot sum gives you one number per column, exactly how many missing values each column has. Your task, add a line to your script that prints df dot is null dot sum before you run it. No need to predict exact numbers this time. That's not reasoning to guess for 81, but do you expect the output to be short or long? Wait, I did not understand. Hold on. My lighting got messed up. Wait a minute. There we go. Wait, I did not understand. Is it the plushie that's distracting me? This goes back up here. Okay, no problem. Let's slow down. Tell me exactly. Okay, wait. Can you explain the methods again? Question mark. Huh. Step 1, let's rebuild this piece by piece. Lower with real numbers at every step. Step 1, what does dot is null do alone or alone do? Take one column from your data set, lot frontage. It has real numbers and missing values mixed in. Say the first 4 rows look like this: 65.0 nan, 68.0 nan. Is null, checks each cell and asks one question: is this missing? It replaces every value with either true, yes is missing, or false, no it has real data. So that same column becomes true, wait, false, true, false, true. Oh, okay, so it replaces not nans with false and nans with trues. That's all is null does. Nothing about counting yet. It's just yes slash no flag. Step 2, what does dot sum do to that? Now that you have a column of true, false in Python, true secretly acts as 1 and false secretly acts as 0. This is just how Python works under the hood. So dot sum adds 0 plus 1 plus 0 plus 1, which equals to 2. That means 2. This column had 2 missing values out of the 4. Putting both steps together, df dot is null dot sums Does step one first mark every cell true/false for missing? Then step two, add up the trues per column. The result is one single number for every column in your data set, telling you exactly how many nulls that column has. Ah, I see. There we go. Hello, yo, how doing, AI and user? Appreciate you joining the stream. Okay, good that art tells me it clicked, not just that you're being polite. Let's lock in what the real thing. Let's lock in with the real thing instead of just nodding along the explanation. Your task, add one line in your script. Print df.isnull.sum and run it. Okay, so apparently we're gonna go ahead and print something. I'm gonna print data frame dot is null method dot the sum method. This should give me 2 as my output. Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and let's say run my program real quick. I'm gonna go ahead and paste this here and let's see. What are you building? Actually, I am building a predictive AI model this time. Which I'm basically going to be using regression, ridge regression, and linear regression in order to build a. Wait, hold on. Let me show you what project. I forgot the name of the project. Dang it. Hold on, hold on. I know it's a predictive model, but more specifically, the predictive model that I am currently building is housing prices. There we go. I was whatchamacallit. I had it in my mind, but I forgot it. So basically, I'm gonna be based on a few datas that I'm gonna be getting from what was the website's name? It was not a website. Wait a damn minute. Hold on. Um make directory GitHub. Amos housing. I don't think it's Amos. Wait a minute. I just did that stuff. I'm trying to find the website. Sale prices, okay, yada yada. Type regression, source Kaggle. There we go. I'm gonna use Kaggle to find a few random housing prices that later on I will be fixing those data. That's one reason I'm using pandas right now for data wrangling and let's say organizing the data to make it clean and all that stuff. Later on, I will be building a predictive model that predicts house prices based on the previous house prices that it had. Okay, there we go. Oh god, that was kind of tricky to actually phrase. But once I run this, I don't get two as opposed to that. I get two outcomes where it says subclass and then MS zoning, lot frontage, lot area. And in case you're thinking, what does lot frontage area and everything have to do? I did actually have a train.csv file, which I did get access to through my Kaggle's. Was it Amex or something like that? I think it was something like that, right? Yeah, I did get access to it through that stuff. But I'm gonna copy this paste here real quick. For the time being, I do not know half the things that I'm gonna be using or the tools because I just started working on this project. But this .csv, by God, has a bunch of things here. When I say a bunch, I mean a whole bunch of things. I don't even know how many lines. It has 1,462 lines, which I did actually get access to too here. 5 rows, 81 columns, 1,460 lines, where these two were probably rounded up. Okay, then I'm just gonna go ahead and exit this. We're gonna go ahead and go with Control A, Control C, copy that, grab plot here, paste this here, and then let's send it. Okay, I think that was a pretty vague explanation as to what I'm doing, but I'm basically building a mini project. Shows 259 and the number should ring a bell. It's the exact same figure the GitHub research pulled up earlier, 18% null. Your code just independently reproduced the fact you already had from a different source. That's good cross-check habit even if you didn't do it on purpose. This time, idea and lot area show 0 makes sense. Those are complete columns, no missing data. One real problem though, pandas truncated the middle of your output with dot dot dot. Okay, dot toString tell pandas to print everything and not truncated. Okay, so we're gonna add a dot toString. Okay, and these are a few methods that I need more practice with. And then we're gonna run it again. But I want to kind of analyze my code this time. I'm going to read what it's saying. Oh, okay. So we have, is that 81? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Is that 81? That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That is 16. And then if the 81 goes there, this is 0, 0, 81, 81. Okay, so 16. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81. Okay, so basically, yeah, these 81 are technically the 81 rows. That we have an ID row, we have a subclass row, we have a lot area row, we have a street row, we have an alley row, etc., etc., etc. Got it. Yeah, I just had to confirm that stuff real quick manually, which seems like a stupid thing to do, but you know what? Now that I've confirmed that, I think I get it. Okay, and then we're gonna go ahead and paste it. Full picture, not real data, no truncation. This is the actual shape of the mess we're about to fight. Let's read it like an engineer, not just eyeball. Numbers, a few things jump out immediately. Pool QC, 1453 nulls out of 1460 rows. And hold on. While this is running, I'm going to open once human as well because I'm almost here from my break time. Okay, pool 1453 nulls out of 1460 rows. That's basically the entire column. Empty misc feature 406, alley 1369, fence 179. All massively empty too. Fireplace 690, lost frontage 259, mass. VNR type 872, moderate to heavy gaps. A cluster of columns all showing exactly 81 nulls. Garage type, garage YR, BLT, garage finish, garage Bugle, garage content. That's not a coincidence. Same count across 5 different columns. Another small cluster around. Oh god, guys, this is more distracting than I thought it was. I'll mute my background noise for now so you guys can hear it. A cluster of columns all showing exactly 81 null garage types. Okay, that's not a coincidence. Same count. Another small cluster is 37 and 38. BSMT, BSMT cond, exposure, fin type 1, fin type 2. Oh. Most columns 0 perfectly complete. Before I explain anything, I want you to reason this out first since you've got the actual pattern sitting in front of you. That garage cluster, 5 different columns, all showing exact same 81 nulls. What's your best reasoning for how? Wait, for why that would happen? Think about what garage-related column even meant for a house that doesn't have. Maybe because... maybe because everything... hold on, maybe because... oh my gosh! Everything was prefixed with a, let's say, garage, with garage. There we go, and then let's go ahead and send it. Okay, I'm going to read that in a bit, but that's time. Hold on, let me handle something that is not distracting. Moving on back to once human, I'm going to go ahead and enter the game. We're going to get the timer here. And my FPS is so freaking insane right now. Like, my GPU is at 94% utilization. Like, what else can I say? And yeah, I stopped here where I was basically dead. Oh god, I'm dead as hell here. How do I recover? Do I need to eat food? F to inherit. Open Wikipedia. Okay, so that was good for food, right? I'm good for food right now. Is that vitality? What does 2 do? Does it heal me? I mean, 7. Does it heal me? How do I heal myself? What does 8 do? Oh, okay, so sleeping heals me. We're just gonna sleep out here in the open, okay, I guess? No, nothing else, just sleeping out in the open. Alright, this is not even my base. Okay, at least my health is getting better now. I'm gonna sleep here for a bit. Can I have my torch open? Oh, I do have it open. Yeah, we're gonna heal. We're gonna heal real quick before I... What is this, though? Who is that? Bro, who was that monster, though? I need to go ahead and get my revenge on him. He almost killed the frick out of me. T for camp. Okay. I'm glad that we at least have a sleeping spot where we can recover. Is it just me, or is this mask transparent? Is this mask transparent? Okay, I'm just gonna relax while he's actually sleeping. Ready? Okay, isn't there like a faster way to quick and heal? Yo, hiding more, I appreciate you joining the stream. And let me know if these noises are too loud. Keep it up, bro, let's go. Appreciate you, BMW. Okay, so I spent 3 minutes sleeping when we're almost max health. And there. Moving on. Okay, now let's go back. I don't think that I'm ready to run back. Oh, the hell? Okay, I don't think that I'm... Oh, so we fight with left click. I don't think that I'm ready to go back and explore those creepy monsters again. I was so lucky that I came back to a safe zone, or I'd be dead. And I don't know what happens if I die. Yeah, appreciate you. No study today. Actually, there is. I am currently in my break, so I have like a short timer of 6 minutes and 57 seconds left, where I was just done, because I am following a 30 to 10 minutes Pomodoro session, where every 30 minutes I take a 10 minutes break, and every 4 sessions of 30 minutes I take a 20 minutes break. I play some Once Human in that break. I used to play Wuthering Waves, but I got kind of bored. But this is actually kind of fun, and oh god, look at the freaking, what's it called? Look at the freaking quality here. Alright. Should I go back? The thing is, my gun is garbage. I've got a garbage ass gun here. Wait, are these new ores? Wait a minute, I'm gonna go to my brightness. Okay, so settings. Game settings, I wanna increase my brightness, or is it just night right now? I think it's night, right? Copper ore, let's go! Wait, this is the first time that I found a different ore. Wait a minute. 5% chance to... F. 5% chance to what? The Diggy Boy. Wait, I had a 5% chance to get him. Did I actually get him? How do you use him? How do I use him? Wow, we're getting copper. We can actually upgrade our damn base now. I'm gonna get the timer here. What the hell is that? Oh, I clicked Q for some reason. What is AG? I'm gonna go up there. Wait, hold on. You know what? I see copper and all that stuff. Wait a minute. Silver ore? We have silver? Requires more advanced gathering tool. Oh no. Oh god. You know what? It's fine. I'm gonna come back for that silver. We're gonna come back for that silver. There we go. We have a star stuff. I don't know if I'm... Oh my... Who's that? Who's that? Who's that? Someone's coming. Someone's coming. Someone's coming. I gotta run. I gotta run. I gotta run. Yo, I'm minding my business. You mind your business. The second I see he comes to me, I'm dipping. Yup, just leave. Just leave. Why did he stop? Why did he stop? Is it worth it to get near him? He's not gonna come for me, right? He minds his business, I mind my business. Please don't peekaboo come behind me. Okay, I think that's everything here, right? Bro, but this place was such an insane area to actually grind for stuff. Okay, what are people like chatting or something? Since when did I get so lucky going, I mean, just randomly um reaching for my copper ore? Where's my base? Is this my base? I want to sort of run. Am I gonna get more coppers there? No? Alright. Gather tutorial journey. Where can I find um crop sweet corn? Where can I find crops? Is that more copper that I see? But I need better mining tools. How do I use the guy that I just got? And I need to enter the... Oh, wow. There's a lot of copper here. I don't know. I'm pretty bad at navigating these places again. So I'm just gonna grind while I still can. I'm gonna get all the copper that I can, and we're gonna upgrade our base. And I do not want to fight that guy again. I'm gonna fight the low-ranking monsters or like the low-ranking zombies. Wait, that doesn't look like gravel, is it? Wait, is this gravel? It's sulfur? Yo, we're getting sulfur. I know we use sulfur to make gunpowder, and wait, if I make gunpowder using sulfur, that means I can... Mushroom? Alright. Wait, if I make gunpowder using this stuff, then I can actually make some ammo too, right? To shoot those monsters, because my current bow just shoots them once. If I shoot them once, there's literally nothing. I just provoke them to get close to me. Why is that bus going everywhere I'm going? I'm not fighting it. I know it's strong. I must stay out of all strong creatures. Wow, this is an insane mining place. Also, I want to check one thing. For my settings, do I just increase my game brightness? So game settings, and then we have the controller. There is brightness. So we have graphics, we have vehicle, we have exploration. No. Game settings, right? Brightness should be here. Screen shake intensity is a lot. I don't see squad for brightness, so it's fine. I'm just gonna leave. Yo, I'm almost out of my time, so we're gonna grind as many sulfurs as we can. Okay, this is another rock. I don't need rock. Are these new things? Did I unlock a new place? Why am I finding so many rare stuff here? I mean, I did almost just die and all that. Is this gold? Is this gold? Oh, another copper. Okay, I need to make sure that no one is here. Bro, we found a freaking ass, mine here. Not a mine, a freaking ass... Who's there? Who's that? Oh my gosh. Bro, this is not good for my heart health. Oh god. Am I making so much noise coming here? How do I get a good tool? I know I need to go inside that place again. Sage. We're gonna make some coffee for ourselves. There we go. Bro, this is scary as a frick. I know I need to go back there, but I can't just leave all this good loot. Got helicopters. Wait. Who is that? Who is that? No, it's a monster. It's a monster. Oh, a weak monster. He's not a monster, he's a deer. Wait, is he an animal that I can actually eat? Oh, it's an eclipse fawn. Oh, deer meat, let's go. You know what? I feel kind of bad now. I want to only kill monsters, but I can't really eat those monsters. And yeah, well, that's time. Hands up ending that is distracting. Moving on, back to work, back to work. I'm gonna get to a safe spot here. And then we're just gonna exit the game. There, okay, back to work, back to work. So that's a naming observation, not a reasoning about the data, okay? You're describing what the columns are called, not why they're all empty in exactly 81 rows. Let's ground it concretely. Picture one specific house, no garage on the property at all. What would garage type even be able to say about a house with no garage? What would a garage quality be able to say? Think about the values possibly, okay? Okay, without a garage, it would not be able to say anything. There we go. Exactly, you got there yourself. That's uh the real reasoning. If a house has no garage, there's nothing to describe. No type, no quality, no conditions, no finish. It's not that the data is missing the sense of we forgot to record it. It's the feature genuinely is that the feature genuinely doesn't apply. That's why all five garage columns show the exact same 81 null. It's the same 81 houses, no garage hitting every single garage related column at once. Same underlying causes, same 81 rows, 51 columns, all flagged together. This is a critical distinction for how you learn this data, and it's the exact nuance flagged in that research earlier from categorical columns, missing values often carry meaning. A missing garage values usually means there's no garage, not that the data is broken. I see. So here's the real question from AI generated farming time. Map it back. Wait, formal AI engineering framing time. What the hell did I just read? Map it back to what you reason now. There are two fundamentally different reasons a cell can be null in a real data set, structurally absent. The thing genuinely doesn't exist for that row. No garage, no garage quality, full stop. Truly missing the truly missing. The thing does exist, but the value recorded like electrical. Every house has electrical wiring, so one null there means something actually failed to record it. Look back at your full list. Which column with a null count of exactly one fits the case to truly missing, not structural absent? And why does that logic hold for it specifically? Okay, wait, what? Okay, look back at your full list. Which column with a null count has exactly one fits two cases, missing, not structurally absent? Wait, case two, okay. Which column with a null count of exactly one fits case two? Wait, what was case two again? Oh god, I think I should stop playing Once Human. That game is so distracting. Okay, no worries. Let's reground it before you answer case 2 truly missing means the thing being described definitely exists for that row. But somehow the value just wasn't recorded. It's a real gap. Oh gosh, I'm actually sweating. Huh, you know what? I think it's the game. I think I should go with some boring games. But then this game is pretty good for the streaming for my gaming channel. I do kind of like that game, but I don't think I should play it because if it's so addicting, I think it's gonna be bad. Case true, truly missing means the thing being described definitely exists for that row, but somehow the value just wasn't recorded. It's a real gap in the data, not a this doesn't apply situation. Contrast with case one, structurally absent, which you already nailed with garage example, the thing that does not exist at all for that house. So there's nothing to put in the cell. No garage, no garage type. That's not a data entry failure. That's just reality. So for case two, ask yourself: is there any real world feature every single house would have, no exceptions? No, some houses don't have this, where a missing value could only mean someone failed to record it. column list. Which one with exactly one null fits that? So we're looking for someone with one null that fits the case. Null is nan. Electrical actually fits it. I still do not understand what are we doing. However, if I look at the columns, electrical is the only thing that has one beside it. That said, I do follow a Pomodoro timer, which is 30 to 5 minutes, 30 to 10 minutes. And every 4 sessions of 30 minutes, I get a 20 minutes break. However, the game that I play on my break is called Once Human, and it is sort of fun to play, but the thing is, when I hop off it and move on to work, I feel like I am not in the right mindset to be studying, and that I want to play for longer. Okay, therefore, do you recommend me to quit the game? I mean, it is a good content from other channel though. Like, it's gonna be really sad if I stop playing that, but it's getting distracted with my actual stuff here. Two different things came up. Let's handle the confusion. The confusion, let's zoom out all the way. You correctly spotted electrical as the only column with one null. Good, that's actually the right answer. Well, it's the only answer, and it fits the pattern. Every house has electrical wiring. No house is missing electrical as a concept, so that one means someone genuinely failed to record it for one house. That's different from a garage where null means this house has no garage at all. Here's why this matters practically, not just as a concept. When you clean this dataset in a few sessions, you decide how to fill in missing values. For the garage columns, filling nulls with something like none makes sense. It correctly says no garage, but the electrical filling with none would be a lie. The house definitely has an electrical wiring. You don't just you just don't know which type. You'd fill that one differently, like the one's most common electrical types in the data set. Different null reasons needs different fixes. That's the whole point of this exercise. I see. If that's still fuzzy, tell me specifically. Which part is unclear? Okay. Don't push through confused. On Once Human straight answer, I'm not telling you to quit the game you enjoy. That's not really the problem you're describing anyway. The actual problem is the tradition. You're coming off something engaging and immersive straight into technical focus work, and your brain doesn't want to downshift that fast. That's a real common friction point, not a moral failure about the game itself. If you things that actually help with that transition, if you want to keep the game as your break, set a hard stop minute or 2 minutes before your break ends. Not right after the buzzer. Okay, that makes sense. Not ripped out mid session. Use the last 1 to 2 minutes of break to glance at what you're about to work on next so your brain has a bridge, okay? Alright. I get it. Okay, ready to keep going? Alright, so now I'm gonna read this part one more time. You correctly spotted electrical. That's the right answer, and it fits the pattern. Every house has electrical wiring. No houses missing electrical as a concept, so that one null means someone genuinely failed to record. Okay, that's different from garage, where null means this house has no garage. Here's why this matters practically, not just as a concept. When you clean this data set in a few sessions, you'll decide how to fill in missing values for the garage columns. Filling nulls with something like none makes sense. It correctly says no garage, but for electrical filling with nope, with none, I mean, would be a lie. The house definitely has electrical wirings. You just don't know which type. You'd fill that one differently, like with the most common electrical type in the dataset. Different null reasons needs different fixes. That's the whole point of this exercise. I think I see. Okay, good. Let's not leave it at I think I see. Say it back to me now in words. Why does a null in electrical get treated differently than a null in garage type? Because in the electrical, we know that we have a wire. However, what we do not know is what type of wire do we have? What type of wire do we have? And that we need to explicitly set it. Explicitly. Okay, that said, for garage type, we do not have a garage in general. Okay, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and send it. Oh god, I forgot to eat today before streaming. No wonder my energy levels are down. That's it, the real distinction in your own words. Electrical, the thing that exists, you're just missing which kind. Garage type, the thing that exists, that also there is nothing to be missing. Same symbol. NaN in the CSV, completely different from real world meaning. Completely different fixed later. Okay. That's genuinely the hardest type. That's the real distinction. Okay, where we are in project do big picture dataset download and verified, loaded into pandas, full shape. Okay, not done yet. We haven't actually started fixing anything right now. We're still in the understand the mess phase. Oh, understand the next phase. Given what you're at, energy focus, whatever, how do you want to handle? How does Claude always know? How does oh god. How do you always know? Do you always know that I am exhausted? Bro, can Claude actually hear me? This is getting kind of scary. What the hell? There we go. That said, I am exhausted. I am tired. So can we continue the rest next stream? Okay, I haven't done much this stream to be honest, but I should have eaten and came in the stream before I really sat. I mean, well, I can potentially go and grab stuff, but actually, I can't lie. I really want to play Once Human. But then here's the thing, it's so annoying. I don't want to play it. So distracting. Why did I have to pick a fun game to play? This is ruining my mental state. Should I just delete that game and stick with Wuthering Waves, which is not addictive at all? I noticed earlier confusion, the mixed up. Okay, you know what? That's fine. That's fine. Well, saving memory. You know what? I guess I'm gonna continue the rest later on next stream. This was awful today. Okay, we're gonna. Oh, I don't want to play it. It's so addicting and fun. Should I play it or not? I don't know. I did not really complete my 30 minutes, but I am done with what I'm gonna do today. Is there something wrong if I played the game or should I just not play it cuz it's really fun. I don't know. The only time I do play that game is when I stream too cuz I get some content from my gaming channel. So I could cope by saying that I'm getting content for the gaming channel, but you know what? Screw it. Uh, Okay, this is I'm so freaking indecisive because I do wanna get an addiction here because of this game, but in the same time, it's kind of fun that I want to sort of play it. Oh, I haven't worked enough though. Oh wait, I know. Whenever you're indecisive, whenever is it that you're indecisive, you go ahead and open Wheel of Names. Also, wait, can you guys? Okay, I'm so glad I had my desktop audio on. Okay, wait, I'm gonna ungroup, and then we're gonna go ahead and say something like play. Do not play. Whatever this picks, I'm gonna go with that. Alright, it says do not play, we're not gonna play. It's kinda sad, but I'm just gonna... You know what, screw it. I'm gonna play. Okay, that indecisiveness was just for me to actually see what's it gonna land on. The thing is, I don't see a point to not playing if I'm just gonna end the stream, right? F to enter game. And this is kind of loud too. Dude, this is so annoying. I shouldn't have picked such an addicting game. My gosh, we got some deers. Why am I being my gosh. I don't get it. Am I scaring the deers? I get a headshot. Headshots does kill them in one go. Is this... What am I doing? I wanna end this is just disappointing. How the hell do I not have control on what I'm doing? Yeah, you guys may think, what kind of confusion am I going with? You know what, screw it. I'm playing it, I'm gonna play it with pride. Screw it. It's not like I'm completely getting this... Oh my gosh, nope, I am. I haven't even... Oh my gosh. Yeah, this is not confusion related to the game. This game is just so good. It's so funny in my gaming channel when I'm gonna be uploading this. The people that are gonna watch it are gonna be so freaking confused as to what I'm saying. Just to clarify what I'm saying, I ended my programming stream sooner today just because this game was so freaking addictive. Yeah, we're gonna have to do something. I'm probably gonna think about this off stream, but for the time being, I want to play this a little. I'm gonna think as to what am I gonna be doing about this addiction later on. Okay, you know, since I'm playing it, let's just play it. Okay, so we're currently getting some copper ores right now. Guys, I'm going through two different emotions. Disappointment and excitement. Actually, multiple emotions at the same time. Disappointment, excitement, entertainment, joy, dopamine spikes, and all that stuff. But we found copper ore now. Oh my gosh. Hey, I'm playing this. It doesn't change squat, right? Let's enjoy ourselves. Wait, is this bus here to attack me? Can I attack people? Oh, the bus is immune. Oh, 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 oh. Okay, I did not want no smoke. I don't want no smoke. You can go your way. I can go my way. Okay, so I'm gonna go down here. Then we're just gonna go ahead and break some sulfur. I'm pretty sure I need sulfur. I don't know what is mushroom about, but I'm gonna be jump scared here, right? Should I just stream this on my gaming channel? Okay, I'm gonna just... Are there any corpses here or anything that... Speak of the devil. Let's get a headshot. Headshot does one-shot them. Bro, I'm having an overload of emotions right now with disappointment. I'm not even scared of these monsters anymore. Okay, but I wanna, since I'm already playing it, let me play it with a good will and a good mood, because disappointment is just gonna make the stream and the videos boring for my channel later on. Okay, so I couldn't grab that freaking, silver orb before. Bro, at least warn me before you come. Okay, this is my base, isn't it? It's not my base. Oh, wow. Where is my base? I'm lost. This looks like something new. Wait, I can't mine it. Where is my base? I'm lost. How do I get to my base? I need to build stuff. There's so many good items here that I don't know how do I use. Wait. I see something is trying to take me there. What is that? I need some bullets. Okay, I definitely need some meat too.
Someone is sobbing. Let's go check it out.
Wait, me? Look, I don't want to kill them, okay? But I need some food. Oh, wait, was that the person we had to check out? Alright. I'm gonna go with something like F. Okay. F2 ellipse corpse. I shall make good use of that meat later on for my survival. Okay, now, this person is sobbing here. Anna Sutherland. Anna, to wander here forever and ever. Really? Why is that?
One yet to be.
A shadow with consciousness?
Yes, mortal one. There are some memories that must be pieced back together.
Must be pieced
Scatterings
back
of past things that
Yo,
must
they got the
be
country
recalled.
accent. What the hell?
The orchard. The family. A
The family.
terrible fate. Go there. Find and destroy.
Alright,
everything
alright.
that once belonged to the name Sutherland.
Sutherland. Yo, we got some country accents out here. What the hell? Alright, so we're gonna go here. How you don't get limit in Claude? It takes me 2 to 3 prompts input to get a 8-hour limit. I don't really know. Like, it's so confusing. Last stream when I was actually working with the stuff, for 28 whole minutes, my Claude was at its 90%. I'm like, why didn't I not reach? Someone is behind me, right? Someone is behind me, right? Let me, oh my gosh, don't kill me, don't kill me. Oh. Wait, what did O do? Wait, he's not here to kill me? Alright. Okay, yesterday, what I was saying, yesterday when I was actually, using Claude, I was at my 90% chat limit for like, 28 minutes, and when I was done with my entire topic is when Claude actually said that I reached my chat limit. I don't really know why or how though, to be honest. Okay, maybe because I'm using it at extra effort level, and are you using at max with thinking? Because when I use thinking, I reach my limit way faster. Okay, because that uses a lot of tokens which we wouldn't need half the time. Okay, where's my base? I'm lost. Guys, I'm lost. Is this a banyan tree? And we got a lot of banyan trees. I've got a lot of sulfur too. I'm not gonna go anymore. I'm just gonna go ahead and run. And I think that was pretty much it for today's stream. The rest I'm just gonna be playing Once Human. You know what? I think I decided. I came to a conclusion with Once Human. Only time that I will ever play this game is when I'm done with my stream. Build a dismay bench. At least, can I have guidance as to where do I go? I don't freaking know where to go. And why am I having a gun in my hand? Give me my crossbow. I don't got freaking ammos. The gun is going to be insane if I had ammos. Is that a bunny? Bro, this place is the scariest thing. Because there are monsters everywhere, just like in that. And I need to be very careful that I don't really mess with the level 3 monster, because I did that and almost died. So net 5 medium? Wait, how do you reach your chat limit with medium? Do you have thinking on? Because thinking would make sense, but medium with 3 prompts, it should be like a real... It should be like a really, really insane prompt. Someone is here, someone's here, someone's here. Let him come, let him come, let him come, let him come, let him come. Hello? I am your doom. Peekaboo, look behind you, I am sorry. Why did he stop there? Why did he not keep moving? Oh, okay, thinking would make sense. If you have it be thinking, then, whatchamacallit? If you have it be thinking, that's when I think that Claude reaches the chat limit sooner. Don't use thinking unless you really, really need to get something done precisely, which takes longer. Okay, I guess I need some water. Can I have some water? Nope, no water. F2 craft, okay. Alright. We're getting some roasted berries. Okay. I'm gonna wait for all these roasted berries to really kind of cook. Takes 5 seconds to actually cook up here. There we go, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and escape. Wait, can I get some meat done? Can I get some meat? Because I need as many meals as I can. Okay, beverages? Nope, no. Okay. Wait, this is a grocery store? Can I get food here? Oh, hell yeah. Can I get bandages? Like, something to patch me up rather than just... Bro, stop scaring me. Medicine box, let's go. I needed this. Can I shoot them through here? Can't catch me, can you? Please tell me. Oh, this is broken. I'm just gonna... Oh, we're auto-taking... Get the frick off me! Okay, this is a scary place. I can't crouch. If I could, like, walk silently, I'd do that, but I can't do that stuff. We're here trying to fight these zombies, these monsters. I need to survive. I need to get back to my world. Since when did I freaking get isekai'd in here? I think that's all, right? I can't do anything else. All I can craft is water and some beverages, which I'm kind of broke to craft right now. Man, okay, this is gonna be a good place. Oven, can I cook meat? Can I cook me some meat? No? Because I got some meat in my backpack. I don't know how to get access to it. Oh god, I gotta go. Okay, I think we're good. What's in that? What's there? The best thing that we got here was our medicine box. We can patch ourselves up if push came to shove. Maybe ready for monsters. There's going to be someone in here, right? No? Okay, end to torch. Let's have my torch always open. Wait, this takes me down. What's down here? So, okay, so a strange phenomena. Oh, wow. Is someone there? Peekaboo, I know you're here. Peekaboo, y'all. I'm behind you, so please stay inside. Oh, no one. Yeah, I wasn't scared or anything about them. God, if I find someone here, if I get jump scared here, I'm actually gonna get a heart attack. I'm not even whose leg is that, whose shoes. Oh, okay. Yeah, we gotta get the hell out of this place. It's scary. Oh. Okay. Okay, let's get the heck out of this place. I'm lost. I'm not lost. Are they gonna be up? Okay. And that huge train monster is not doing anything to me, so I think he's a friend, right? Because he's immune to my hits. Okay, I'm gonna save my battery because I don't know if I'm gonna be using battery or if my torch really needs battery or something like that. What I do need is a place back to my home. Where? Who the heck is that bird trying to jump scare me for the third time? Wait, what is that? Is that a stall? I see something shiny there. BN Mart. Yep, totally new name. Okay, we're gonna grab stuff here. What's this say? The Stardust. No, 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 no. What the hell? 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 Please, 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 don't find me. Don't find me. What am I doing? What am I doing? How the hell did I enter build mode? Why did I enter build mode? Get the frick off here. Who does he think he is? Okay. F2 clutch stuff up. Take. Yup. Nom. Yummy. Give me meat. Is there any food here? I need water, actually. I'm almost out of water. I got one bottle of water left. Did those freaking... Get off me. Give me a full... I'm scared. I'm not scared. I'm not scared. Close my light. It's scary if I close it. I need to keep it open. Why was she running to me? Oh my gosh. We got plastic, let's go. We got rustic pants. Quick equip, let's go with yes. Hell yeah, give me my pants. Make a break for it? Should I make a break for it? At least they cannot kill me, right? Only thing they got for them is their creepy face. Is this a whole stack of water? I can't take squat from here? Okay, I think that would be considered stealing, but this is zombie apocalypse. Get the frick off me! Freaking son of a... Oh my gosh. Give me all the trash. I need to sleep. How do you sleep? How do I equip bed? Nope, this is a scary place. I'm running. We're dipping. I'm a dip. Hope to never see you guys again, suckers. Okay, why are they always in my freaking ass face? Like, get off my face. Okay, can I sleep somewhere safe? It looks safe to sleep in the middle of the road, right? Now, how do you get access to your backpack? I want access. What does minus do? Are you kidding me? I just ate food. I had a pillow. How do you get access to your F2, F4, F2, F4? Ooh, that looks nice. That's smooth. Realistic as hell. Okay, that's not what I was trying to do. What I was trying to do is go with a 4. That's realistic as well, but it's kind of blurry. What the hell? Is this a new character? Are they like Koreans or something? Or like Chinese? Japanese? Are they really having a date out here where there are monsters? How are the monsters still scaring me? Yeah, to break? Actually, yeah, hold on. I think hold this thing to skip. Okay, it's oh, they're advertising their gun. So basically, yeah, it's pretty much good. There. Okay, so basically, I am pretty much done with my today's work. I will be continuing the rest of my whatchamacallit. The rest of why is this so loud? I can't focus on what I'm saying. The rest of my project to next stream, because this stream I was pretty much done with everything. That said, I'm trying to find my backpack. There we go. I for backpack. IKO. So I for backpack. There we go. We can sleep. This thing. G to lock. How to get F to use. No, I want to use this. There we go. Okay. So we go with I for backpack, and then we go with K for O for what? K for armor, right? Okay, so I have this armor for now. I see a help. How do I change my armor? We got gears, we got mods, we got cosmetics, we got blueprints. Cosmetic, mods, tech, blueprints. Nope, we're just healing by sleeping, and then once we're done, we're gonna go and get some other work done. I wanna craft. How do you freaking craft stuff? So so let's go with O to craft. Roasted beans, roasted meat. Bro, what do I do here? I wanna craft items for my gun. My crossbow is way too damn weak. Okay, let's see. I don't know where to go. Where is my house? B2 build mode within your territory. Is the store broken? Who said that? Where am I even going? I don't even have my superhuman jumps anymore. Orange tree. Wait, the farther I run and venture off to, the more stuff it looks like I'm getting. Okay, there are a bunch of orange trees, but I don't see how is it worth to like break them. Because I have like a lot of wood. I can find wood literally anywhere. Sutherland. Apple tree. But I want to go back to my territory. I don't find squat. Okay, I did find a lot of stuff here, but let's be honest. I need to upgrade stuff. So where is my house? I'm lost, guys. Can you guys help me track my place down? Okay, this is a copper, right? I got a lot of coppers. I'm not going back for coppers. Where in the genuine world is my place? Oh boy, I'm lost. Hey, I'll take all the berries that I can get my hands on. Where is my territory though? Press B. Build mode, but I need to build in my base. I don't see squat for base here. Is there someone in this place who can use it? Did I see someone? Well, I did not, and I'm almost out of arrows too, so I need to get some arrows. Arrows. Yup, we clearly are not in a state to fight. I need to craft weapons and fast. Oh, I get fall damage. That freaking bird is gonna scare the crap out of me every time. How do I find my base? Can I ask people? Is there chats? Because I'm lost. Okay, I'm gonna just keep venturing in front, hoping that I find. This is a new stone. No? Alright, what is this? No, why to view profile? Wait, this is not my house. Oh wow, people have their good ass houses out here. Where is my place? I'm going everywhere but at my place. Wait, map M. Where is my place? Tracking? The Lost Lady? Pilcher, Frontier, Primer. Wait, I wanna stop tracking. Territory Constructor, F to stop tracking. Track, so I'm here, right? How do I go to my base? Where is my base? So that is my base. Where the hell is it? Oh, house there. Oh wait, I think I figured it out. I see my house stuff. I see a house in the map. I have a miner, but I don't know how to use it. Like, should I use my miner to like mine stuff?
Metahuman. Traces of deviated oil painting number
I see,
88
like,
have been detected at close range. If you encounter a strange-looking oil painting, be careful.
Nope, I'm all good. I'm all Gucci here. I'm gonna go to my house. We're gonna craft stuff, and then we're gonna go ahead and use that stuff. Okay, so we're... Oh, I see my house. It's right there. Yes, guys, we're gonna go back home. We're gonna go home. I got one arrow left to my name. Got one arrow left to my name. Why are these people actually chatting down here? You're a bit hungry. Ah, we got a lot of food. Get me to my home and I'll give all the food. Protected, let's go. What happened to my massive no gravity jumps? Use facility, big boy. Okay. Okay, F details, territory terminal, F. G for waltz. Waltz. Gun, 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 gun. Yes, 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 yes. Give me gun, 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 gun. Yes, yes, yes. There. I don't have squat. Are you freaking kidding me? Where do I craft stuff? I don't have a freaking crafting table. I don't got anything. Hey, I have massive jumps now. Okay, one place that I can actually go to. Okay, I don't have massive jumps, but one place that I can actually go to is this. Center spot here. This is where we get to craft stuff, right? Okay. Where is that crafting room? I literally just set my eyes to it. I won't see squat here. There we go, there we go. It's there, it's right there. It's right this thing right here. I don't. What happened to my long ass jumps though? I smell it. Someone's behind me. Peekaboo! Don't hide from me. Yep, we're out of. Oh, we have 8 more. We have 8 more bullets left. I can't waste on people I don't need to. We need to freaking lock the heck in. Okay, I need to go and craft stuff. I've got a lot. I've got like a hell ton of stuff. How do I take? Okay. Nope. I'm good. He's a monster. He's a monster. There's another monster there. Yeah, I'm not dumb enough to fight a lot of monsters if they're not trying to fight me with my limited number of arrows and they're gonna chase the frick out of me. Annoying thing is these monsters spawn close to our the places that I want to go. I'm protected right now, but what's the point of being protected if I can't grab and craft resources? Where do I go to craft resources? You have left your territory. So I have just to craft stuff which I don't know where to do. I remember figuring out a place where I could craft. I can't figure it out anymore. Where do I go to craft stuff? Is it right there? There we go. Let's keep going in front and we'll figure it out. Oh. I see someone. Oh. Oh. Wait. Can there be real people? Hey, yo, come here, buddy. Let's be friends. I want to be friends. Don't let me go here alone. Don't let me be here alone. Wait for me. I'm right behind you. Let's be friends. Where can I craft stuff? How do you chat? I'm like a freaking rookie. How does he have a gun? I want a gun. I don't have a gun and ammo. I'm literally following him. Am I like a creeper to him now? Reduced stamina. Where to craft stuff? Yep, he doesn't take the hit. Screw him too, I guess. Wait, if I'm not wrong, what does the map say? Tasks. Tutorial? Track. Wait, I'm getting it now. I'm getting it now. 0.7 kilometers. Oh, wow. That's so far away. Well, it's less than a mile, but you know. Let's eat some... Can I eat something? Let's eat some canned food, some canned meat. Okay, we need to be hydrated. I don't want to waste my water right now. I'll waste it when I really need to, but... Get the frick off me, bro. Okay, I should stop wasting my resources. I got 5 bows to my name. Got 5 bows and a hope. And a dream. Water, 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 water. Wait, why am I reporting camp? This is not my camp. Man, we can't steal from others' bases. What if I want to survive? There's like a lot of water down here. Can I drink that? Nope, I'm gonna die. Okay, we're a couple of meters away now. I didn't know that this was like multiple people could play in one server. Wait, what is that wing? Okay, I'm betting this is someone else's base. Oh, yep, I knew it. How do they have such cool bases? I want a good base. Okay, we're just gonna hold my bird and just try to climb this place. I can climb. This is not Wuthering Waves. Fine. We're gonna take the long way out. Okay, my hydration levels are getting kind of bad. Hey, this is a really fun game, though. We have copper, we have sulfate, learn survival skills from Jeremiah Roth. Oh wow, paint bucket. What am I gonna do with paint bucket? Give me some water. I'm running without any water. What? Dude, this... Fine, learn survival skills. I don't want to read all this stuff, so I'm just gonna skip. There we go. Collect 5 dirty water. What the hell? Collect dirty water. Oh, okay, so dirty water. Do you know how database and Kaggle... Do you know database and Kaggle now? Actually, yeah, I did start, whatchamacallit, I started working with that stuff, but then I did kind of stop at the end. I did extract data from, whatchamacallit, Kaggle and something with AOC's card. I think it was like AMS or something like that. I will be working on it more next stream, though. Okay, and from next stream, I'm probably not going to be playing this game again. Okay, let's see. How do you collect dirty water? This thing to float, C to dive. Did I just get a migraine? Where? How do you get dirty water? Do I need to like grab this? There we go. How do you get dirty water? Common constructor. I gotta exit this. Oh, so do I use 7 bottles to get water? Did I just waste my resource here? How do you get water? Collect 5 dirty water. How? F? I don't see F to collect. Yeah, and I'm probably gonna end the stream right now too. This game, it's too addicting that I don't even want to play it anymore. Yep, we're just gonna grab this here. The body is so cold resistant. Okay, I have clearly no idea how to get dirty water. Oh, H to collect water. There we go. I need to talk to Jeremiah again? Okay, you know what? We're gonna talk to him later on. I'm just gonna get close to him and then call it a day for today. I want to survive on my own. I don't want to have storylines or anything. I want a game where everything is literally physics. Okay, that's it. I'm just gonna go ahead and exit this stuff. And then let's move on to my OBS's main camera. There we go. Alrighty, guys. So basically, that was pretty much it for the stream. I did spend most of the stream playing that addictive game. I'm not gonna be playing that anymore from next stream unless I'm really ending the stream and I have some more time in hand. That's it. If you guys did enjoy the stream, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, notifications turn on, and if you guys did enjoy my content / videos / live streams in general, make sure to share my channel because like helps my algorithm sharing, makes you smile, subscribing and sharing top. That said, let's see. If you guys do want to follow me in any of my socials, you guys can get access to all my socials through the link in the description, through my bio, or by typing exclamation in the name of the socials on chat. A link should pop up within 3 to 4 seconds. That said, I did create 2 brand new channels, one called Viv Arcade and the other called Viv Works Out. Viv Arcade is specifically meant for my gaming content and Viv Works Out is meant for my workout content. Therefore, if you guys are interested in either one of those genres or categories and that you guys want to check those channels out, you guys can get access to both those channels through the link. Let's say through my homepage. If you guys scroll all the way down, you guys will be finding a featured channels this category where I will be having both those channels featured. And also, if you guys do want to get access to my AI engineering for 365 days roadmap, and you guys can get access to my AI engineering for 365 days roadmap through my Discord server. I cannot speak right now. Because firstly, that game kind of ruined my entire mindset. Like, what the hell? Everything that's going on in my mind right now is related to that game. It's hard to phrase stuff. If you guys do join my Discord server, either go to the Coding Helps chat, Python chat, or the general chat, mention my name there at VivUniverse, asking me for the roadmap. I will be personally DMing it to you guys. And you guys can get access to my Discord server through the link in the description, through my bio, or by typing exclamation Discord on chat, all lowercase, no space. A link should pop up within 3 to 4 seconds. That said, I'll catch you guys in the next more video. Peace. Okay, I guess let's end the stream. And today's stream, if I do say so myself, was really, really bad. I spent just like an hour, 30 minutes or so working with actual programming stuff, and the rest, let's say, how much ever time for hitting my stream at the 2-hour mark or something? Yeah, 2 hour 19 minutes mark. I did spend that time gaming, so that's kind of